the famous, renowned and the most revered saint, Baba Buller Shah of Pakistan. It's a very famous poetic couplet of his. He states, Masjid dhade, mandir dhade jo kuch dhenda, ik bande da dil na dhavi, Rab dilan vich rehenda. Which basically means that he states that, oh person, you may demolish the mosque, you may demolish the temple, you may demolish whatever there is that can be demolished, but oh person, do not hurt the heart of a person. Do not hurt a person's heart, because oh person, Allah, the God, resides in that heart. So my friends, do not hurt people. Love, but love for the sake of Allah, because that is the path that the prophets and the saints taught us. That is the path which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wanted us to and wants us to follow. This is the purpose of our life, that we spread love. It is up to us how we leave this world. My spiritual guide, my access, Sayyidi Shaykh Ahmad Mohsin Yusufi, he often states that everyone has to leave this world. It is destined for us that we have to leave this world eventually. But how do we leave this world? It is up to us. It is how we design our life. Obviously, everything has been designed by the greatest architect, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But obviously, He has given us power to make our lives what we want us to design it. And that is what my guide says, that eventually we have to leave. But how do we leave it? That is up to us. Do we want to hurt people and then leave? Or do we want to love people and spread love and then leave? So we should spread the message of love. We should be together. Our religion wants unity at this point in time. This world is in need of unity. There is a lot of hatred going on. We should try and endeavor to stop, or at least reduce its hatred. There is an English proverb which basically is that each man makes a difference, a single makes a difference. That is how we should act. If one person can make a difference, then each one of us should try to spread love and to reduce hatred. There is already a lot of hatred in this world at this time. There is conflict and there is hatred. We all should play a part in reducing it, into spreading the message of love. We don't care when we hurt people. We don't even realize when we hurt people, when we should, because that is not the message of Islam. Let alone Islam. This is not the message of Christianity or Hinduism or any religion there is. It is a universal message of love. It is a universal message of peace and harmony. It is a universal message of unity, of brotherhood between nations and cultures and religions and races. We all should realize this one thing, that whatever color we have, whatever race or gender or religion or culture we belong to, we all came from the same place, my friends. We all came from the same place, and we all have to end up one day at the same place.